Polly.
You gotta put your mask on.
Hmm?
You gotta put your mask on.
Out of what?
You gotta put your mask down so you can hear you.
Hi, Polly. Hi, Polly. Hi, Polly. Oh, that sounds like you should talk.
Oh, this one right here. Hey.
Oh.
So what do you think of social distancing?
Oh, it's two on there.
Yeah.
One is sunny and one is cookie is the black.
Yo, why you got your eyes closed like that? What do you think of the tension that's going on in America? Yeah, me too. Why are you looking at me like that, bro? Oh, you wanna go over there? Starting drunks.
Hi, Cobra. Hi, Cobra. You large, too. Oh, dang, he's been here since 1990. They have a lifespan of 30 to 50 years.
They live more longer than most of us.
So he's been here since 1990.
Yeah. Oh, you're older than all my kids.
Yeah.